Hey, welcome back to another video lesson. If you're interested in bundling products, or actually going about building a bundle, so maybe selling, maybe for example, a ukulele, and putting a little instruction booklet in there showing you how to play, 4 chords, how to play 20 songs. That is what you call a bundle. It's a very common thing to do on Amazon. People are bundling things all the time. They're putting like a musical instrument. You get like a 4-part musical course that comes with it. That's a downloadable PDF that comes included free of charge, showing you how to play 20 songs, for instance, or 10 very common, very basic songs. Now, that is what you call a bundle. You could do it for pretty much anything not everything, but pretty much anything on Amazon. Kitchen products, right? Find what the most common 5 products are that are being sold on Amazon for kitchen, bundle it up in the same box, right? That's one thing you could do. Baby products, same thing. Find out what 5 or 10 of the most common purchases new mums make when having a newborn baby, and bundle that up into a one box, one package, and that is a bundle, right? So you can sell that as itself. And why are people buying that? Because of convenience. That is the reason why they are buying that sort of product, right? So we're going to talk about bundling and a lot more in this video. So we'll be back in a second, guys. Stay with me, all right?
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.
Welcome back, everybody. So bundling, all right. So I actually had a good colleague sell many of these ukuleles years ago on eBay, and he was a live performer, and he says, I found these in China for $4. It came with a little booklet. It came with like a little pick, which is kind of like a little thing to strum the guitar or the ukulele. And he was buying these for $4, and he was selling them. I think back then was like $29 or maybe $39.95. And he was telling me that that was a lead generation strategy for him getting a lot of clients, right? So people would buy his, for example, $29 course, which included a ukulele, a pick, which is the strumming thing, and it also included a work booklet which showed you how to play 10 songs, right? And then people buy it, and then they realize, well, I would also love to go about getting some lessons, and they would hire him online via Skype to actually learn how to strum the ukulele. Now, you could do this for pretty much any product out there on Amazon. You could basically bundle. Think about it: pet products, baby products, homeware products, kitchen products, right? When someone moves into their house, they're looking for a new kitchen fit out. They're looking for new accessories. They're looking for new appliances. What can you put together and bundle together, right? So that's just something, and it doesn't need to be a lot of products you need to bundle together. It may only be 4 products, 3 products, even 2 products. Just put something and something together related. It's got to be related. You can't be selling kitchen products and baby toys, right? It's got to be related. So if it's a spatula, it comes with a cooking bowl and maybe a recipe on how to make the best cakes, or how to make a sac of torte, right? It's got to basically have something related to that particular product, all right? So I just wanted to make a quick video. Keep your eyes open, get inspired, start thinking, what can you bundle together? What is like maybe 1, 2 products, 3 products that you can bundle together, and maybe even think about, can I include instructions? If it's a kitchen product, a cookbook, right? If it's a sporting product, maybe it's something on how to do sporting exercises or warm-up exercises. If it's a musical instrument, right? Obvious, 5 songs that you can play with your musical instrument. So think, what can I bundle and how can I add value to the customer? Because that's the way to get ahead on Amazon. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye for now.
Hey, this is what I'm going to promise you. We are running a live webinar. I would love to see you on the webinar. Here's what you're going to be learning on the webinar. I'm going to reveal 10 products that are currently selling right now on Amazon. I would love for you to see those products. I'm also going to reveal some products that I've been involved in personally as well with selling these on Amazon. All right, so I'm going to reveal those products to you, and some of these products very, again, light, small, profitable, things that you can brand and build your business around. I'm also going to show you the step-by-step process to getting involved, getting your product listed on Amazon. And I'm also going to reveal strategies to actually getting started in the next 30 days. So I'd love to see you there. This is going to be a great training. And yeah, visit our website to find out more information on that. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.